In a perfect world, the first man and woman lived in a garden of peace. They were made for each other, a perfect reflection of a perfect world. Formed directly from the earth itself, then united as one. But this was the end of a truly magnificent story, and certainly not the beginning. To truly understand how it was made, we must go back in time, before the beginning. In the beginning, there was only darkness until God said, "Let there be light." He separated the waters, creating the vast, expansive sky above. Below, the vast, deep blue sea lay incredibly calm. Its glass, smooth surface mirrored the boundless sky. It lay still, patiently awaiting its command, poised for the journey ahead. Then God commanded the waters to gather so that dry ground could appear. The first continents were born from fire and rock, raw and empty. God spoke life onto the land, saying, "Let the earth sprout vegetation." From a single seed, a wave of green rushed across the world. Great forests grew, and flowers of every color burst into bloom. On the fourth day, God made great shining lights to fill the sky. He created the brilliant, bright sun to illuminate and rule the day. The radiant moon and shimmering stars, distant suns sparkling in the profound darkness, ascend majestically to govern the vast night sky. The world was beautiful, ready and poised, yet silent and empty. So God filled the oceans with living things, from the great whales to the swirling schools of fish in the deep, mysterious waters. He then filled the sky with birds of every kind to soar on the wind. The air was filled with the sound of their swift flight and melodious song. On the sixth day, God created the animals that live on the land. He made the mighty lion, the great elephants, and every living creature. And creation was now bursting with vibrant new life everywhere. Finally, the Lord God said, "Let us make mankind in our own image." So from the dust of the ground, he carefully formed the first man. He breathed life into him, and man became a living, vibrant soul. The man was named Adam, given the responsibility to care for the earth. Then God created a woman, Eve, to be his partner and companion. Together they stood as the crowning masterpiece of his entire creation. God looked over everything he had created, and he saw that it was indeed very good.